Good morning. Buy low and sell high with AJ. This is a quick morning update. Today is August 22nd, 2022. The current time is 7 a.m. The reason why I'm on here this early is to give you a quick market update and something that I'm looking at because of the news that I heard on CNBC. Gave me a tidbit about DocuSign. Ticker symbol DOCU. Once again, DOCU is DocuSign. Okay, they got a downgrade this morning by RBC Capital. New price target is $65. Currently, it's trading at $62. All right, I studied the 180-day chart. The lowest has been in the last 180 trading days is $55. All right, we're looking to get into this stock under $60 preferably. All right, the reason why I'm bringing up this stock is because I did a comparison with a competitor or a company that's similar to DocuSign, which is CRM. CRM is the ticker symbol. The company's name is Salesforce, a major company. Okay, on the 5-year historical chart, DocuSign company has performed better percentage-wise in the last 5 years, which is great. But on the shorter time frames, which is 3 months, 6 months, a year, CRM has performed better. Okay, so with that being said, I'm looking for a reversal on this stock. Okay, there's a couple of points I want to make about this stock. The first point is this, is that they have an earnings coming up on September 8th, which is DocuSign. Okay, so be very mindful of that. They might have a good earnings, they might have a bad earnings. If they have a bad earnings, the stock is going to go down. If they have a good earnings, or Wall Street likes their forecast or their guidance, the stock might shoot up. Okay. So with that being said, now the comparison, back to the comparison with CRM, the financials of DocuSign is better in the last 3 to 4 quarters than CRM as percentage-wise is concerned. So that's a good thing for DocuSign when it comes to the comparison with the bigger company called CRM, Salesforce. Okay, so I feel like if DocuSign drops under 60, that it potentially might have a quick reversal, which would be good for example, an options call, which an options call preferably after September 8th, right? We'll take an options call 2 weeks further ahead in time. All right, in the money options call. That's the options calls that I look at. I don't really look at the ones that's out of the money, because of anything could happen with the stock market. The stock market could keep on going down and it could create more selling pressure. So you don't want to jack yourself up and getting into an out of the money call because you're thinking that it's going to reverse or the stocks is going to go up and things of that nature. So just be very careful with that. Or we could just outright buy the stock under 60 and just hold it down until, turbulence comes up, or if it rises right back up. All right, I'm not going to say that you want to hold it through the earnings, because that's gambling. It might go down significantly or it might go up significantly, which would be good in our favor. Okay, so I covered the comparison and the points of that stuff that I pointed out, so you guys got a clear picture of what we're looking at here as far as DocuSign is concerned. All right, DocuSign doesn't have any dividend. It's a growth stock, and but it also, I believe, it also has a lower PE ratio than Salesforce. Okay, so that's another good tidbit also. You guys could do your analysis on your own, but I'm just giving you my quick analysis for this morning. All right, so in this video, you're gonna see everything you need to see as far as the examples is concerned from the Google searches that I did, and you guys are gonna have it first. So just want to give you a quick morning update to get you guys prepared for today. New news is out on DocuSign. Stock is struggling, looking for the early morning. Hopefully it will sell off a little bit more so you guys could get into position, and potentially I could get into position to make a move on DocuSign. And another thing I want to say also is this: if you do options, listen, be very mindful not to go too hard on buying too many options. If your account has a certain amount of money in it, no more than half of the account could go on to a call. And if you could do less than half, then do less than half. Do not be going all crazy and putting all your account into the options call, because your position size is going to be too large. And if the stock starts to go down more, you're going to panic and you're going to get emotional, and you're going to make emotional decisions. Be mindful of that. All right. And once again, you guys can also buy the stock outright. If you really believe in DocuSign, if it drops below 60, all right, load up on it. You know, if you feel like you're ready to sit through the earnings or whatever it might be, that's up to you, because DocuSign is a good stock. When it dropped in the past, when it dropped down under 60, it recovered a couple of times in the past, that it recovered back to like 70, things of that nature. But also, if it drops down and you start to see that off of the drop, you start to see buyers start to come in, and it starts to go back up in a certain way and break, certain levels, that means that buyers is interested in buying that dip. That means that we're pretty much good and we're like, okay. All right. So this is my morning update. Know where you heard it first. Buy low and sell high with AJ. Like and subscribe, share with others, hit that notification bell, okay? Because we're trying to get money. We're trying to build wealth. We're trying to do our thing. And I'm not coming on here just to waste my breath and my time. I'm really trying to give you guys some knowledge about how to maneuver in the stock market arena, all right? From things that I learned in the past and things that I keep learning in the present, okay? So hit that notification bell. Spread the word to your family. Spread your words to others so I could get some more likes, some more subscribers. You guys see how much subscribers I have and things of that nature. I want to try to build it up more. That's why I keep on dropping more content and giving you guys more information that you guys need, and guys and gals need, to make informed decisions. All right. It's not construed as advice, like, stock picking advice or nothing, but this is stuff that I got going on in my head, and I'm putting it on the wire on these videos so you guys could think about what I'm saying, elaborate, go check it out on your own. And if you see results, please put down comments down below and big up your boy if things work out as far as the trade is concerned and things of that nature, so people will realize that the information that I'm giving is solid. All right. It's trial and error. Hey, it might happen where it goes down under 60 and then it keeps going down and it doesn't work out or whatever, but it could work out, because in the stock market, you're just taking chances on information that you're receiving from the charts and from Google concerning like the statistics. You got to remember, as a person involved in the stock market, you're more of a data analyst. You're just trying to collect data from technical charts, from information from their financials, from information in all different variations of the spectrum. All right, so that's about it. Buy low and sell high with AJ. Peace.